More protests have broken out in a number of cities in response to the satirical cartoon depicting the Prophet Muhammad published by French magazine Charlie Hebdo. Crowds gathered in Pakistan where religious parties held up signs and shouted slogans denouncing the publication. A photographer for the French news agency AFP was wounded during clashes outside the French consulate in Karachi. Meanwhile, thousands of Muslims in Jordan, Turkey and Iran also demonstrated against the French weekly. Clashes erupted between thousands of anti-Charlie Hebdo protesters and security forces in Jordan's capital, Amman, after noon prayers. Police used batons to disperse the crowds. Algerian protesters also took to the streets of the capital city, Algiers, carrying large banners reading anti-French slogans. Charlie Hebdo's most recent controversial depiction of the Prophet Muhammad comes after Al-Qaeda attacked its office and killed 12 people over a week ago.